Today I want to show you what's inside my CAUSEBOX. I got the summer welcome box for 2020. This is my first time trying out a CAUSEBOX. I feel like one of the many Instagram girls, but I am not actually a fan of subscription boxes. I just feel like for me right now, they're just not the most effective use of money. I'd rather try products that I'm really interested in than leaving it up to someone else. But what caught my eye this time is I saw that there was going to be one specific product I really wanted. And so I decided to give it a shot so I can get that one product. Starting off, the box is like super cute. I actually really like it. Packaging doesn't matter a ton to me, but it is kind of fun that it's cute. It has this pamphlet, which normally I also think are cheesy, but in this case, I do think it's actually really great because it goes through each of the products and it tells you like why it's great, how to use it, what the price is. And I find that information really valuable, and it helps me to better understand why they pick different products. So I actually have used this. I've already read through it. So let's go through what was in my box and what my initial thoughts were. First, the product that made me get this box was the PMD Beauty, the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device, which is basically a silicone brush. It's a silicone brush that you can use to wash your face, and it's like vibrating, so it has like electronic aspect to it. And I'm really excited to try this because I tried a really cheap one from Amazon, and it broke within a year, and it was one of the spinning brushes. I also was worried that it was a little too harsh with some of the exfoliating heads that they have. So I think this one should be a little bit more gentle for everyday use. I think it'll be easier to clean because it's silicone. It is just still battery powered, which has pros and cons. And I don't know if the vibrating will do that much, but I'm really excited to try it out because it had great reviews. And this was one of the things I was originally looking to buy back when I was getting a brush. And this retails for $100. $100, and I could not find, I don't think I could, even if there was a sale, I could not get this product alone cheaper than I could get this whole box. So I figured, why not just get the box? This box, I was able to use a discount code and to get a really good deal on it. I think I spent under 40, maybe like 36 even, but $40 is the normal deal for your first time using this service. The majority of boxes are going to be $55 if you do the quarterly membership, and then it gets a little cheaper if you do the annual membership. The annual membership does have some good bonuses where you can, it's the same products, but you get to choose between a couple different ones. So you have a little bit of customization there, and you get to pick the colors, which is kind of fun. So I think that's a good way to give a benefit to people who want the annual one without like having to give more products. So I think that's really smart. So this I got a Swell 17-ounce water bottle, and it's one of these insulated metal water bottles, and I've used these before and they work really well. The one I have right now is not cute, so I actually am really excited about this. I will definitely use it. A screw top isn't my preferred choice for water bottles, but it's totally fine. I will use it. I think this is a really cute bottle. So I was excited about that. I love water. I drink water. I bring water with me everywhere I go. So I will use that. The next thing, let's go with, this is the Underwood letterpress. I'll show you this so I can get out of the way since it's kind of big. The Underwood letterpress, it's a felt letterboard, which I think these are kind of funny. They're like super basic. I feel like people who want one kind of already have one. I'm not one who really feels the need. I'm not witty. I don't have a spot in my house for this, but I mean, they are cute. I could use it even for like kids in the future. Like they're super versatile. So even if I don't want to have it hanging in my house, this one has a really natural like unfinished wood, which is a little different, especially with it's not even a bright white felt. It's kind of like a creamy color, like a natural color. So it's kind of interesting color combination. I almost would want to like stain the wood maybe just for a little contrast, but the letters are black. So I think the black on this will be really cute. And it comes in a cute box. It has even some emojis. Like, it's cute for sure. And it is worth $45. So that's a pretty good value. The water bottle was worth $35, which I feel like is super overpriced for a water bottle, but that's the price they have listed. So next, let's do, where is this thing? Next we will do, this is the sunscreen, essentially. It's Hanua Hawaiian Skincare is the company, but it's a Malu Day Cream or something like that. It is essentially a moisturizer and sunscreen, and it has a little pump bottle. The bottle's cute. It's a nicer bottle, like glass. It retails for $42 is what they're saying, which honestly seems ridiculous to me. There's only 1 ounce in this, which is quite small for a moisturizer or sunscreen, but based on the description, it has a lot of like Hawaiian ingredients and very sustainably sourced, some of those things, which honestly I'm a little less into, but I will definitely use it. I always love moisturizers and sunscreens. Everyone needs to use sunscreen. So definitely usable product. The price on this seems like something I would never actually buy myself. And then the next, I got another little beauty product. This is the Grace and Stella. It says say hi to hydration, super cute. And it is the hyaluronic acid serum, which I am super excited about because I have heard so many good things online about hyaluronic acid, and I don't think I've tried anything that has that in it yet. This is a really cute bottle as well. It's glass, like the fonts are all cute. It has that shiny gold cap. And it's honestly a pretty good size. This is 1.7 fluid ounces, whereas the sunscreen was only 1. So I feel like you're getting a lot. It's something that I really wanted to try. This was a total surprise and a total win for me. So I'm excited to try that, and I'll definitely review these products and let you know how I like them on their own. And then the other really big product is the Pixie Mood Zoe Crossbody Bag. So it came in 3 colors, a black, like a natural leather looking brown, and an olive. And the olive looked gorgeous. I love green. So I would have loved to try one of the other colors because I do have black purses, but black is really versatile. So I'll definitely still use this. It's super soft. It feels like great quality, all of the stitching. It's a vegan leather. And if you open it up, it has an open pocket here. It has a zippered pocket there, and inside the zipper pocket there are some other little smaller pockets. And it has the long crossbody strap, and it's just a magnet closure. The size is really good for like a date night purse where you still want to bring like a full wallet and, you know, some other things. You can definitely fit it in without having like a really bulky bag. So it feels really nice. It is worth $75 is what they have listed there. So overall, I'm actually really excited about all of these products. I don't think there's one product in here that I just 100% wouldn't use. I mean, maybe the letterboard, but I think even that I would find a use for, or I'd be able to find someone else who would. But I would use all of these, and I think I'd be really excited to try them all, use them all. So I think that this is a box that actually is better than some others. However, $55 for me is pretty steep, especially over the $50 mark. It's just really steep. So I don't think this is going to be something that I would continue right now. But if I did have excess cash in the future, this actually might be a box that I would look at over some of the other subscriptions. So I was really pleased with everything, and I feel like it's a great value, and I like that it's not every month, because sometimes that is a little bit too often. I'd rather have higher value items and get them, get the box less frequently. So those are my thoughts on my summer 2020 welcome CAUSEBOX. Look out for reviews on some of these products, and let me know if you have any questions.